Hi everyone, today I'm going to introduce how to replace the Joystick of T8S transmitter. Prepare a screwdriver with a S2 PH1 bit. We need to lose the 6 screws at the back of the transmitter. Open it. And we need to unplug the cables. And here are the 2 joysticks. The left stick, which does not return to the center, is the throttle stick. The right stick will return to the center automatically. You can replace any one of them. And to replace the 2 joysticks, we need to lose these screws. So we can remove the broken joystick. And after you replace the joystick, you also need to tighten these screws. And take the throttle stick as an example. And remove the screws. And here's a cable inside. And we can remove the joystick now. And here's a collection cable of the joystick. Unplug the cable. And when you plug the cable, please make sure the collection is correct. And imagine the new joystick is installed. Tighten the screws. And the new joystick is installed. We can see the stick work well. And then tighten all the screws you need. Collect all the cables. And make sure the cables are not near the screws. After replacing the joystick, we need to calibrate the joystick. Press the trim button on the left and power on T8S at the same time. LED indicator starts flashing, means it enters the joystick calibration mode. And push the 2 joysticks to the 4 corners to make sure the joysticks reach the maximum and minimum travel. Then put the 2 joysticks to the center point and press the second trim button on the left. Here it is. LED indicator turns solid green, means joystick calibration is complete. So that's all about how to replace the Joystick of T8S transmitter.